friends, welcome back to another new video. So this video was really anticipated. I was always saying I'm gonna film it, but I never got the time to, or it wasn't ready, or there were some plants that I was bottom watering, or a lot of other stuff. But today is the day that I'm gonna give you guys an update on this amazing living room that a lot of you guys seem to enjoy. And I guess because of the plants, but also because of the lighting. We get so much light with these humongous windows, and it's such a blessing, and I'm so beyond grateful. So as soon as you walk in, this is where I'm standing right now, is the kitchen door over here. So I guess we can turn around over here. We have this humongous peace lily. She is simply stunning. I am so obsessed with her. I almost killed her, but I ended up giving her some fertilizer and a good bottom watering session. She ended up bouncing back like nothing has ever happened. That's one of the things about these beautiful peace lilies, is that when they're thirsty, they look very dramatic, like they're gonna die. But that's just how they act when they want a good soak of water. It's been putting out, look at this shiny, oh my god, it's even transparent. It's so beautiful, and she's getting so big. My goal next spring is to make her bloom, because won't that be so fascinating? Because usually when you buy them, they already have flowers, but I want to try to make it bloom by myself. By the way, wouldn't it be so stunning? I know this is a bigger version of the peace lilies, but I have the dominant peace lily in my bedroom. And by the way, I will be giving you guys a bedroom houseplant tour in another video, but for today it's just the living room. And wouldn't it be so stunning, like a dominant peace lily or slash variegated peace lily this big with this beautiful variegation? That would be so stunning. But yeah, this girl is super cute. I got her at H-E-B, I believe, for $14.98. No, that's a lie. Hold on. I think it was $22.98. And I don't know, I just got it because she gives such a good statement. It's an amazing low light plant. As you guys can see, she is getting a little bit of direct sunlight, but it's sunset type of light, which means it's not so intense. But she's been doing really good. She's just doing her thing. And then over here we have this table of pumpkins. Usually I have a bunch of plants over here, and I have more tables over here and more over here and more plants over there. But I'm slowly trying to transition all of my houseplants to my bedroom as much as I can, because I want to put 2 humongous Christmas trees. Our tradition, my boyfriend and I, our tradition is to buy live Christmas trees to go and pick our favorites. But this year in our new rental, we're gonna get 2 big ones. And well, because there's 2 big windows and I want it to look kind of symmetrical, I'm really excited. Let me know if you guys want to see a decorate Christmas tree, or you're plant shopping for a Christmas tree. Plant shopping, is that even a thing? Christmas tree shopping. Let me know if you guys want to see that. That'll be so much fun. But yes, over here we have a lot of pumpkins, because even though I'm so excited for Christmas and a lot of people are decorating for Christmas, it hasn't been Thanksgiving yet. So we need to give Thanksgiving her moment. So we have all these beautiful pumpkins. Some are live. This is from H-E-B. This is from Walmart, and Walmart as well. These are fake, and this is fake. This is real, fake, with the cute little, I forget what you call those. And another fake one and a real one. My goal is to collect fake pumpkins over time. I really do like the look of live pumpkins, but it's kind of sad you gotta toss them away. So, and these you can use every single year, so it's almost like an investment kind of, you don't gotta buy real pumpkins every single year and then just toss them out. I ended up putting this beautiful agluminia, or I'm pretty sure it's an agluminia, and this table, because it has fall colors. I don't know if it's just me, but she gives me fall vibes, and I think she looks really beautiful over here. I'm not really a professional plant decor type of person, but whenever I decorate, I always consider the height, the colors, and the conditions of the plant. If it can tolerate low light conditions, if it can tolerate direct sunlight. And I think I decorate pretty good. I try my best. I'm not a pro, but yeah. Okay, I guess we can start over here. Well, let's start over there, because I'm running out of daylight. And then over here we got this, we have this beautiful dumb cane. I am literally running out of daylight. Oh my god. Dieffenbachia that I got for Lowe's for $14.98, which is literally such an amazing deal. I just love its leaves. Super stunning, and it's putting out 2 new leaves, and that is so much fun. We got a berry illusion syngonium over here, as you guys can see. Beautiful. a bird's nest fern that I was struggling in the beginning, and then as soon as I placed it outside and I gave her some fertilizer, she ended up bouncing back, and I'll have her back inside for a month already, and she's just been doing really good. As you guys can see, look at that. Isn't that so satisfying to look at? I know the lighting isn't its best right now, but even then, when it's in low light conditions, she is doing pretty good. I love her so much. Over here we have a Dracaena, our Madagascar tree, and I got it for $12.98. Okay, the lighting is not like doing its best right now. There you go, for $12.98. And then we got over here another Berry Illusion Syngonium. Amazing low light plant. By the way, look at this beautiful like leaves. Like its foliage is so stunning. Ah, beautiful. She does need some watering, so after this video I'm gonna give her some water. Oh, here we have a Kalaitia Zebriana, I believe, and she is just one of the most easiest Kalaitias if you give it good if you give it some good like humidity and water. This is when I first bought it, I forgot I was watering it with tap water, and as you guys can see, she doesn't like it. These are like the old leaves, so I'm not really that like stressing out, but the new ones are looking amazing. Oh my god, it's just its foliage, it's so beautiful. Stunning. Okie dokie. Over here we got my neon pothos, which is one of the first plants that I got. She's almost going to be 2 years old with me, or I think even 3. I'm not even that sure, but she's really old and she's still in her same pot. I might need to repot her, but even then, she's getting super long, and I have been probably getting a lot from this plant in the spring, so she's just doing really good. Oh my god, I love her. This is a really fun begonia that I got on a plant shopping video, and oh my god, you guys, like it was just so stunning when I saw it, and I was so surprised because it's a begonia and it was a green one, and I've never seen it like this, and it's just so stunning. And that is an old leaf for $17.98. We got this really cute succulent that I got for clearance a while back as well for, how much were you? $5. Really pretty. We got a range up peperonia over here. She's been blooming for the longest time, and some of these plants need a good dusting. Right now I'm focusing on the plants in my bedroom because they need their because I need to make sure they're really good before I put more plants inside. But after that, I'm gonna check up on these and see how they're doing. But this one's really fun. At the very top, we got a green heartleaf philodendron, doing really good. And this one was for $14.98 at Walmart. And then right next to the green heartleaf philodendron, we got a Swiss cheese, or Arisonii. I just love its cute little illustrations. Ah, look at the new ones are getting bigger. And it's putting out a new one. So cute. Oh, this makes me so happy. And this one I got it at Walmart as well for $14.98. I was so surprised when I saw it. I was like, that is literally insane. At the bottom we have another beautiful begonia, and this one was the same time when I found the other one, and you guys, it was just amazing. Has the most stunning leaves, and it has like hairs on its leaves. Like it looks like hairs, but they're not really hairs. It's really cool. And also for $17.98. We got this really cute houseplant that I need to find out its actual name. I need to plant idea. Right now, like I said, I'm currently focusing on the plants in my bedroom. I'm like inspecting them, I'm watering them, I'm like pruning them. I'm like plant IDing them as well. But beautiful. And right next to that one is another one as well when I found those two begonias. It is my Golden Goddess Philodendron. She's putting out this beautiful new leaf. This is a new one, and here's some more. And do you see those air roots kind of like, oh my god, I want to propagate it so bad, but I know I shouldn't. Maybe in the spring I'll propagate some, but it's really, really beautiful and I love her so much. At the very top of this golden goddess philodendron, we have a silver satin pothos, which needs some watering. The way I know is because the leaves start to curl, as you guys can see, and it's dry. But super, super stunning. Really cool leaves. And then right next to that one, we have another one, the same one. This was gifted to me. Super cute. And at the very bottom, we have my Polkadata begonia. She's so beautiful. I'm really surprised I haven't killed this one, considering the fact that I'm not so good with begonias. But like these and the green one, I don't know, I do so good with them. It's really beautiful. Already in the middle, we have this rabbit's foot fern, which, look at those little, oh my god, that is so cute. I'm trying to go as fast as I can because, like I said, I'm running out of daylight. Let me turn on these lights as well. And then over here, we have a neon pothos. At the bottom, we have a beautiful peperonia with striking leaves, you guys. Like, do you see that? So beautiful. And outside, we have my humongous Monstera deliciosa that my grandmother ended up gifting me. Oh my god, I was so happy. And then we have another plant that I'm watering as well, which is my regal shield. I'm gonna put it back inside in the night. And over here we have, I believe, like a Chinese evergreen. I need to plant ID this one as well. But she's super, super cute. At the very top, we have my string of dolphins, which has been getting really, really long since the growing season. And then we have a Philodendron. This is a new leaf. Beautiful. And on the top we have my old Cebu blue, which I have propagated so much already. And it's still getting longer. And then over here we have my beautiful string of bananas, which has gotten really, really long. I'm telling you, like in the growing season, or if you can, and you have like a warm environment, always fertilize your plants because they will benefit from it. The fertilizer that I use is Evergreen, and a lot of people don't like using them, but the fertilizer is pretty affordable and it's a lot and it works. So that's why I still use it. The one that I use will be linked up below if you guys want to go and check it out. But oh my god, beautiful. And then over here we have a mini Monstera or a Rapidora, Tersa Perma. I ended up propagating this one as well. It was just one very long stem, and since I propagated, it has developed more like offshoots, which is really, really fun. Super cute. And then we have a dumpkin. Dumpkins and I really get along, but we're still trying together. I only water it whenever it gets dry, and as you guys can see, it's already getting dry. I'm gonna finish taking off the dead foliage. This is real life, you guys. Like, it's normal if you like, you know, don't succeed with one plant. It happens to everybody. But I really do like different Bacchias or dumpkins. They're really, really beautiful. But oh my god, I don't know what it is. I give it a lot of bright light, and I also water it when it's dry. I literally just watered it last week, so I don't know what she wants. And whenever I water, I always use my moisture meter to make sure that it's not like just, it looks dry, but it's actually wet, because if not, it gets root rot. So I always double check if I'm gonna water a plant. So I know it's not root rot because every time I water it's dry. But I don't know. I guess it's just one of those plants that it's not gonna work out with me. Here's another beautiful peperonia with green variegation. And then over here we have a corn plant that I got for clearance a while back for $5 at Lowe's. And it had like the old ones, but I ended up cutting them off. That's why it was on clearance, because it looks so bad. But as you guys can see, it has pushed out new ones. And that is a lot of fun. Really beautiful. And at the very top, we have my variegated lipstick plant. It's one of my favorites. I honestly got this one to bloom, which I was so surprised. But she's really beautiful. This variegation is so interesting. Really pretty. Alrighty guys, so those are all the houseplants I have in my dining room / living room. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because I post every single day. I try to. And we do a lot of plant shopping videos, a lot of houseplant tours, top 10 plants, which, talking about top 10 plants, it's been a while since I posted one. So expect one of those videos coming very soon. And yeah, by the way, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek in the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. As you guys can see, I have a lot of grow lights. And this is from like a new house plants of this month that I just ended up finished filming. Bottom watering as well. Oh my god, this phone is not doing so good in the light conditions. And then my curly orchid, which needs a good cleanup. All of that is hard water stains, you guys. She was outside and I just brought her back inside because, like, you know, winter's coming. But I do need to clean its leaves. But if y'all see, it looks very like difficult a little bit. Because I like to use microfiber cloth to clean the leaves. But I'm really scared. Then my propagations of my Philodendron Joy, which is so much fun. My beautiful Chinese Evergreen. And my asparagus Fern, which has done amazing. But yeah, I'll be doing a very detailed bedroom houseplant tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.